Yo, look at that shit, bro. That shit is crazy, my nigga. It's really eating another fucking bird. That's wild. There's another one around there somewhere. I just don't know where it went. But it looked like he was pissed. He eating that bird too. He hungry. That's his breakfast. Yo, it's delicious, my man. Let me get some. Yo, mira, te estoy hablando. Listen to me. Yo, early bird get the worm or the early bird get the bird. He tearing it up too. Look at him. He's devouring that bird. Yeah, my man. I just happened to walk and drive by. I just happened to drive by and see it. So I stopped. And look. It was two big ass birds. It was two of them. The wingspan is what caught my attention. And then I stopped and saw that. And realized he was eating another bird. Wild, crazy, and outrageous. Right here in Waterbury.